Hi friends, hope you're doing well. This video is regarding the 26H2 upgrade. Basically, if you are using Windows 11 25H2 and you want to upgrade 26H2, so how we can do that? Let's start the video. So make sure that Windows 11 26H2 may be possible will be launched after the 2 months. But obviously, with the passage of time, slowly and gradually, different types of packages are being launched from the Microsoft, and your PC is getting updated. So make sure if you are not rush and you want to upgrade naturally from Microsoft website, so obviously you need to just wait for the updates and make sure you are up to date and keep this option on. But if you want to update your Windows 25H2 to 26H2 earlier, then what is the procedure? The procedure is very simple. You need to go onto the official website of Windows 11 download. Then you need to click onto the Windows 11 download, and once you click it, then you need to go Windows Insider program, and then you need to click onto the Windows Insider program. And after that, you have to make sure that you must have at least one Microsoft email ID. It either it should be on Outlook or maybe on Hotmail. Any ID. If you don't have any ID, just you can create onto the Hotmail.com or Outlook.com, and just then you need to log in over here. So once you log in, then you need to scroll down it, scroll down it, scroll down it, scroll down it, and then you will have a addition of, keep remember this build, because you will not find any 26H2 over here. Keep in mind, because I don't know why, what is the reason behind that, but it is 100% sure that 26,300,8935 25H2 is basically 26H2. Once you install this build 26300, you will, after the installation, when you will check your Windows version, definitely you will get 26H2. I have already installed this build on my PC. So let me show you the Win version. So once you click onto the Win version, you can see that 26H2 and the build is 26300. So it is pretty much clear that I don't know why, what is the reason behind that, why it is 25H2 still, I don't know. But obviously it is 26H2. So if you want to early upgrade your system, so it is very simple. You need to just click on to this build and you need to confirm it. Once you confirm it, then definitely you will need to confirm the language, and then you need to click onto the download. I'm getting just error due to the weak internet connectivity, but you need to click onto the confirm button, and then it will ask for the uh, language. And once you select the language, then you will have an option of download, so you can easily download the ISO. Now once you download the ISO, definitely you have to go inside the let me show you the C drive. And then you need to click here. You will have a ISO. Just you need to right click on it and you need to extract the ISO. Let me show you over here. uh, you need to just right click on it and extract the ISO. Once you extract the ISO, you will have the setup page. So simply you need to double click on it, and once you double click on it, you will have Windows visit. Then you need to click next, 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 and obviously it will be installed. I have already created video on that. I will put the link in the description, so no need to worry about that. If you are confused, just go into the video description of this video. You will get the respective video link. So that's all for today. It is basically a video regarding the earlier update, and hope you like this video. If you like it, give the thumbs up, forward to your family and friends. Stay safe and kindly subscribe my channel. Special request. Thank you. Bye bye.